First, we loosen all the screw. Take out the device. Before we put the new one, we should take out the two ball bearing each. These two yellow ones. Put back the device. Fix the screw. Put the ball bearing each. Fix all the screw. Fix the ball bearing edge by hammer. Then we adjust the Euro hole distance. Use the jiggle bar to do the adjustment. Can move the device forward or backward. And there is another adjustment hole. This one. This part can move the punching knife forward or backward. Okay, the guide is finished.